As a chair, you love the low maintenance students, the ones who never email. You think, great, they must be working. What I've come to find out that actually is wrong. A lot of times when we don't hear from our students, they're telling us something. And sometimes the silence doesn't always mean focus. Sometimes that silence can mean shame. I'm Dr. Ramon Goings, and I'm a tenured professor, department chair, and founder of Done Dissertation, where we provide the strategic infrastructure universities need to eliminate the ABD backlog and accelerate time to degree. And I'm doing this content in order to support faculty members and department chairs and deans in order to make sure that for every student that we have that starts at our university, that they exit our university with the doctoral degree in hand. And on this quick episode, I wanted to talk about the silence trap around why low maintenance students are your biggest risk when we're looking at time to degree. So one of the things I want us to consider is sometimes what I would describe as the inbox illusion, right? A lot of times we as faculty members and folks, as you're dealing with things in your department or your college are dealing with, the 90% of students who are often loud, right? We hear from them. We know what's going on. We kind of know where they are in the process. We're keeping up to date with them. They are constantly, in contact with us. However, while this is happening, that other 10% of the quiet ones at times can slowly be drifting away, toward attrition, right? And they haven't submitted a document in 3 months, but because they aren't complaining, no one might be noticed. And maybe as faculty members, you're overloaded with terms of doctoral students you're advising. So it's easy for some students to slip through the crack. And what I found is that when you have that idea of like, oh, maybe this 10% I'm not hearing from, sometimes, again, based on our load, it can be very hard to do the outreach. However, what I found from supporting, thousands of students at Done Dissertation is that a lot of times we have to become more proactive than reactive. And so what I found is that if we wait for them to reach out, we might have already lost them, because sometimes as students, they are going through things that they don't want to burden us with. And literally what we hear from in our velocity coaching program from students is that, oh, I don't want to go to my faculty member with this because I don't want to overburden them. I know they have so much going on already with their teaching, research, and service. Like, I can't put this extra burden on them. And so just know that sometimes that silence means that folks are dealing with things. And what I've described in the piece I wrote for Inside Higher Ed is the silent struggle. And you want to make sure that you are thinking through that. But what I would say is that you need a system in place that flags, time since last submission, or something that triggers you as a faculty member or even in your department to say, hey, have we not heard from that person in a while? Let's reach out so that we can intervene and make sure that they are getting what they need, or even provide them the supports that they might need in order to finish their dissertation. And this happens a lot throughout the doctoral journey, but particularly at the dissertation phase is when we see this happen the most. And what we found from supporting so many doctoral students at Done Dissertation is that sometimes as faculty, we might need that support and infrastructure in order to help guide these students and to have that, additional accountability structure. And this is exactly why at Done Dissertation, we created our student success platform as a way to help provide that bridge, if you will, to support students to ensure that they do not slip through the cracks in terms of going, and becoming a student that does not finish with their degree. And so I would invite you, if you're interested in learning more about how we can help support your students and provide workshops for faculty as well on how to chair and support their students, feel free to reach out to us by scanning the QR code that is here on your screen, or you can go to www.thedonedissertation.com/university-partnerships. And if you're on our main website, you just click on universities and you can learn more about how we can support you all to the finish line. And with that said, my name is Dr. Ramon Goings, and I want to say thank you so much for watching this episode. And until next time, I look forward to you all having a great and productive semester. Take care.